Welcome to the SNADI/SNAT solar channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the full wiring and configuration process for the 12 kW NKH off-grid hybrid solar inverter. This inverter is parallel ready, features a built-in MPPT controller, and delivers a clean, pure sine wave output. It also supports RS-485 communication, allowing it to work seamlessly with LiFePO4 battery systems. For today's demonstration, we're working on our professional test bench using a 51.2 V200Ah lithium battery bank. Before we dive in, remember, safety first. Make sure you strictly follow all local electrical codes and safety protocols during your installation. First, let's remove the bottom cover of the inverter. Use the appropriate tools to unscrew the battery terminals. Once that's done, connect your positive and negative battery cables from the lithium battery to the corresponding terminals on the inverter. Make sure these connections are tight and secure. Next, take your solar array cables and plug them into the PV input interface. After the PV is set, we move on to the AC side. If you have grid power available, connect your AC input lines to the AC terminal. If you're running purely off-grid, simply connect your load lines to the AC out interface of the NKH inverter. With all the wiring in place, the final step of the hardware setup is to put the bottom cover back on and secure it. It's as simple as that. Now for the fun part. Let's bring out our old friend, this heavy-duty fan. We'll plug it in. Switch on the lithium battery. And power up the inverter. Once you see the numbers light up on the LCD screen, the system is successfully initialized. Let's turn on the fan and give it a test run. And there we go! Smooth, stable power. That concludes our wiring demonstration for the 12 kW NKH off-grid hybrid solar inverter. We hope this guide makes your installation process much easier. If you have any questions about the setup, feel free to drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow our channel for more advanced solar solutions. And we will see you in the next video.